2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This truck makes room for the whole family. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. This is a top-rated dealer. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry.